Hi, in this video I will show you how to log in into the webmail through the browser. In this video we'll be using one example domain, which is bangkokdigitalagency.com. Right now it just go to our website. So let's say, for example, to access the webmail you have to type webmail.yourdomain.com. Instead of yourdomain.com, you have to replace with your real domain name. Okay, right now in this video we'll be using the example domain, which is bangkokdigitalagency.com. and then after typing webmail.domain name, you just need to press enter, and then you will see the webmail login screen. In here you have to type the email address and then the password. I have the email address, this address. I will just copy and paste, and then also the password, copy and paste. Once you log in, you will be shown this screen, and then you have to click save and continue. After that, you have to click open here. But before that, you can always learn more information here. If you want to do, let's say if you want to change the password, you can change from here. Go to password and security, and then you can type the new password and then confirm new password. You can also use the password generator, and then you can keep generating. Once you like the password, you can check this box and then use password, and then the password will be automatically filled, and then you have to click save. But right now I will just go to the home page, just click this webmail logo, and then if you want to, you can click here too as well. And then if you want to update the set up the two-factor authentication, you can click here. Two-factor authentication will make your webmail secure, because every time when you log into your webmail, you need to enter the code. So even if your webmail password is compromised, without the code, nobody will be able to log into your account. That's what two-factor authentication is. So if you want to set up, click setup, and then scan this code and put the code here. I will not go into the detail of setting up the two-factor authentication, because these days it is very familiar, because Gmail and other Gmail, Facebook, and other tech giants are enforcing two-factor. So if you want to do that, you need to have the application. You can find Google Authenticator app, and then install that app. Whether you are on iOS or Android, you can install that, and then just scan this code, and then scan this QR code, and then it will show 6-digit code, which you have to enter here, and then press configure two-factor authentication. Right now I will just skip it, because it is this is just a sample video. So if you need help, you can always reach out to us, and we will be happy to help you. Okay, so you know how to change the password, you know how to set up the two-factor authentication to make your account more secure, and then you can also forward. Let's say someone send you, if you have multiple email address, you don't want to check, go into the different account and check every email each time, log in, log out, and log in again. You sometimes you don't want to do that. Most of the time you don't want to be busy, right? Then you can forward emails reach into this account to another email address that you use. Like maybe you already have another business, or maybe you already have a personal Gmail. You can forward to your personal Gmail. Okay, let's just click forwarder, and then you can click add forwarder, and whenever every email reach to this account, you can forward to another, let's say escf@gmail.com, and then if you add forwarder, you can click go back, and then when you go to folder, you will see email address to every email coming to this address will be forwarded to this address, but this address does not exist. In your case, you have to enter your Gmail address, real Gmail address, or maybe another business email address that you already using. Otherwise, the email will not be forwarded because it will always be in this account because this is the primary receiver. When this email receive, it will forward to this. But if you don't want it anymore, you can delete it. Okay, that is about the setting up of the email, but I will show you how the inbox will look like. Just click open, and then this is the interface for using the email. So this is the inbox, draft, send, junk, trash, and archives. So if you have an email address, you can manage their contact here. You can also create the contact, but it will be automatically saved into the in your contact sometime, but sometimes you have to save it manually. And you can also do the calendar, but without the application, it is hard to remind you. It will only remind you when you are on the webmail interface. So, but anyway, you can use it if you want to, and you can change a lot of settings here. But I will be showing the most used things. Let's say, by composing. Okay, this is the inbox. You can when you want to send email to somebody else, you can just click compose and then type their address. Let's say info@dab.co.th, and then you can type the subject. Okay. If you want to add image, you can click this icon, and then it will allow you to add the image. Okay, the editor is now changed, but after that you can click this and then click the image icon, and you have to add image. A little bit the step is so a little bit much, but you can always do attachment. You can do the attach image inside the body. This is for inside the body, but for the attachment, you can click here and then attach the file easily. But if you want to, this is for when you want to add image in the message body. Okay, then after that you just need to send, and then if you send, it will be shown in there. Right? Okay, let's just send this message. Send. Okay, now it is sent, and then you can see that in the send folder. Okay. Okay, next thing is setting up the signature. To set up the signature, you have to go to setting and then identities, and then you click this, and then you add your signature here. Okay, I will just add the signature. Okay, keep following along with me, and then you will know. If you even don't know what signature is, just keep following with me. Okay, test signature. Okay, and then save. Now the signature is saved. When you go to compose, see the test signature subject item is already. That is what signature is. So every time you send new message, you create new message, this signature will also already automatically fill in the message body. That is really useful when you want to add the business name, business address, business email. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I will just this time I will create new one, and then I will say DAB, and then test Okay, and then just I'll go to our website and grab some contact information like this, and then phone number, email, and also the phone number. Okay, we can add dash, and dash. Okay, we can, if you want, we can also add the image here. Okay, now it changed to this interface, and if you want to add, you can add image. Let me try if I can add this URL, copy image address, and then paste. Okay, and then save. Okay, that is too big, but in your case, you have to do it. You have to make it nice. But right now, I will just add. Okay, I can change. In fact, I can change the size. I can change the height. Okay, maybe 80, and then save. Yeah, that look very nice. Okay, and then I will save. Now the signature is saved. When I go to compose new email, I can choose the signature here, because right now I have two signatures for the same email. I will just choose this and then save. Or maybe I will just delete this one because it is confusing. Okay, now if I go to email, I can just type the message here. The signature is already added, but somehow the image is not in the signature. I don't know why, but yeah, but I think you got the idea. But most of the time, I think you just need it. You just need the text, because when you send a new email with the image in the body, they are likely to go into the spam box. That's why you should only send with the plain text, and also without the links and without any links. Okay. So in case if you want to go back to the webmail homepage, you can click here, and then you will see this interface again. Okay, I hope this cover everything about the webmail. Thank you very much.